welcome once again. Today we have a different kind of song, different one, not like a usual song that we used to play here. It goes like Ameinuliwa Mfalme Yesu, hakuna mwingine, pokea sifa. So we are going to play like that song, but we are going to play in two different ways. You're going to play with worship and you're going to play with praise kind of style. So on worship, we are going to play like this. The song goes like this. Ameinuliwa Mfalme Yesu, hakuna mwingine, pokea sifa. Let me play together with my beat here, because the beat even is different a bit. It goes like this. Alright, so together with the song itself, we play like this. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is, let me remove my right two. So the song goes like Ameinuliwa. We repeat again, Ameinuliwa Mfalme Yesu. I play number 6, but I'm playing in a low side. I don't play like this. I play the low side here because of the tone of the voice, okay? So again, Ameinuliwa Mfalme Yesu, hakuna mwingine, pokea sifa. It repeats like that. Today we are not playing B. Okay? Again. Ameinuliwa Mfalme Yesu, hakuna mwingine, pokea sifa. Alright, together with my beat. So that's how we play that in worship style, but let's go to the praise. So in a praise way, we're going to play like this. it's just the same way, but I'm choosing to not play a lot of keys for you to see. So you start like Amei. Okay, that's how we play this song, guys. If you like what you have seen so far, I urge you and I ask you, please consider to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, like and share to your friends, family, so that we can continue all of us learning together. And also there are some clips there, videos that I'm helping people and spreading the word of God. So I ask you, please, if you see those videos are helping, consider to follow or like them and also comment on them. And I have a TikTok account. I'm asking you, please, if you are in TikTok, follow me there. The link, I will put it down there in the description box. I'll see you guys again, once again, on the next one. I really appreciate you for being here with me. I appreciate that so much. I'll see you again next time. Very goodbye.